you have to start again from zero, what would you do?
Oh,
Well,
that's a
we
great question.
practically did start from zero.
Well, would you do it the same if you had to do it again, or would you do it different?
I mean, now I've seen how it's turned out, but as Dave has shared, I was definitely not all in from the beginning. The timing wasn't perfect. We bought our first laundromat as I was about to give birth to our third child, so definitely not the best
Listen,
timings. But no, I mean it's been such a blessing. It's been a journey. We've definitely had our hard times and definitely challenges along the way, but it's been a blessing. And it's good now to actually be involved in it. And I left my teaching career, so I'm full time in the laundromat industry now too. And so it's so nice to be able to help other people as they're at different points in the journey and try to help them avoid some of our most challenging moments.
Well, it's what I'll tell people is it's never going to be easy. So if you're under the illusion that it is, get rid of that illusion or get out, because it's not going to be easy. But I truly believe that it's easier in some ways, meaning content, connection, networking, even just technology of literally having cell phones, which we didn't have 25 years ago, for example, even controls on machines and card systems and things like that. It is easier to be successful nowadays than ever before, but make no mistake, that doesn't mean it's easy. I always had the attitude, even when Carla wasn't really totally on board with it. She was always very supportive. Wasn't totally on board with it. I always had the attitude of there really isn't anything other than if it's illegal or if it's unethical, immoral, I won't do those. But short of that, there isn't much that I wouldn't be willing to sacrifice to make my businesses be successful. And if you're starting with and you're well capitalized and you have a lot of cash on hand, then you're probably going to have to make less tough decisions and make less sacrifices, but you're still going to have to make some. If you're starting from zero, meaning I know nothing about the industry, I have no information, and I have no cash, which is kind of where we were. We had very little cash. Be prepared for a significant grind. It doesn't mean you can't be successful. Let us inspire you to chase your dreams if these are your dreams.